Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account with Trust Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to assume you've gone ahead and downloaded the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, either from your Play or App Store. Now from here, for the first time, go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. And now you'll be brought to the home page that looks something similar to this. Go ahead and click on Get Started. And now we'll be brought to this page, and now we need to create a new wallet. So go ahead and click on Create New Wallet, and then we need to create a secret phrase. So go ahead and click on Create, and then you need to back up your secret phrase. So protect your assets by backing up your seed phrase now. So you've got a few different ways how to do this. You can back up manually or back up to Google Drive. I suggest to write it down manually and store that piece of paper somewhere safe. So I'm going to click on Backup Manually. And now they state here, so this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. Tap on all checkboxes to confirm you understand the importance of your secret phrase. So Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. So if you lose it, you cannot contact them to get a copy. Saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Example, including screenshots, text files, or emailing yourself. Write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So go ahead and check all those boxes, then click continue. And then you'll be brought to your secret phrase. This might be blanked out on this video. So this is just for demonstration purposes. You'll get 12 words of secret phrase. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to copy it to clipboard and then paste it on my notes just to make this tutorial easier for myself. All right, so here's my secret phrase, 12 words. This is for number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So now I'm going to head back to click on continue. So like I said, I suggest to write it down or whatever is best for you guys. So then once you've done that, you need to confirm your secret phrase. So word 1, 4, 7, and 10. So I need to go back to my notes. So word 1 is mix. Word 4 is cereal. Word 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, favorite. And then word 10 is a meadow. So I'm going to click on meadow. So if we go back here, like I said, this is word number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yada, 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 11, 12. All right, so now we've confirmed the secret phrase. We need to click on continue. And now you've got to create a strong password. So I'm just going to do an easy password for this demonstration. They might not allow it. I'm going to click on confirm. And then from here, we'll say, welcome aboard. Your wallet is now ready to use. Dive in and start your crypto journey. Stay secure. And now, so go ahead and click on start using Trust Wallet. Click on allow. And if you're lucky, they'll say wallet added. Here's 100 points. So you'll earn 100 points for having Trust Multicoin Wallet. Collect more Trust points daily with our quest features and unlock exclusive rewards. So go ahead and click on claim points. Who doesn't like free points? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on claim all. Now I'm going to head back, and now I'm inside my Trust Wallet.